Hello students, again welcome to online classes. Today we are to start relation and function, module 9. In this module, we are to study range of the function. We are to study range. That there is one set A which contain 1, 2, 3 and second set which contain 3, 4. Then what is Cartesian product? A cross B, it is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. It is called Cartesian product which contain all the ordered pairs. Then we have relations. Sometimes relation is empty set. Sometimes relation contain only one element. Sometimes relation contain two elements, 1, 3, 1, 4, like this. There are so many relations. In relation chapter, range is second element. Means here range is empty. In this relation, range is only one element. In this relation, range is 3 and 4. So whenever there is relation, second number, this is domain and this is range, ordered pair. Second number is called range. Now comes to function chapter. We are to find out range of different functions. Let us firstly take some particular examples. Suppose fx equal to modulus function. Suppose fx equal to modulus function. Let fx equal to minus of modulus function. Let fx equal to greatest integer. And we are to find out range. Then domain we have discussed in module 8 and module 7. We are to find out range. Now as it is a modulus function, absolute function, its range means answer. Its range is always positive. So range from 0 to infinity. Because modulus is always positive, its range from 0 to infinity. Similarly, if I have to find out range, not to find out domain, range, modulus is always positive. So its range is from 0 to infinity. Say here. Modulus is always positive, but outside there is minus. It means its answer, its range is always negative, and when it is negative, it is from minus infinity to 0. Positive means 0 to infinity, negative means minus infinity to 0. See this function is greatest integer function. If I have to write down 2.3, answer is 2. If I write 3, answer is 3. If I write 3.1, answer is 3. Always answer is integer. So its range is integer. We have to discuss range only. Domain we have discussed. Greatest integer function range is integer. Modulus function range is from 0 to infinity. Because always answer is positive. If I take minus 3, answer is positive. If I take 0, answer is 0. If I take 3, answer is 3. So its range is always positive. And its range is always integer. Let us take some more example. Suppose question is, find out range of modulus function plus something. Find out range of this function. As now we are finding range only. As modulus function is always greater than equal to 0 because modulus is always positive. Therefore, modulus x plus 7 is always greater than equal to 7. X on both sides. So its range, its value always greater than equal to 7, and therefore range is greater than 7 means 7 to infinity. Greater than 7. So again, that question is find out range of signum function. Question is find out range of signum function. Now what is signum function? Signum function is 1, 0, minus 1 when x is greater than 0, when x equal to 0, when x less than 0. It is called signum function. Now we need range. This is domain, but we need range. Range is this. Range means answer. So what is range here? Range is 1, 0, minus 1. This is range. When we talk about x, it is called domain. When we talk about range y, this is range. When x is greater than 0, always answer is 1. When x equal to 0, answer is 0. When x is less than 0, answer is minus 1. This answer is called range. So here range is 1, 0, minus 1. Let us do some other questions. See, question is, let fx equal to 1 upon x minus 2. See this. Fx equal to 3x upon x 2x minus 8. Is okay? Fx equal to 3 upon 2 minus x square. Fx equal to x square upon 1 plus x square. We have to find out only range. So for domain, it is given x should not be equal to. Because when x equal to, this function does not exist. When x equal to, this function does not exist. So it is given to you. Question is find out range. Here also it is given x should not be equal to 4. Because when x equal to 4, function does not exist. So it is given to you and question is find out range. Similarly, here it is given x should not be equal to plus minus root 2. It is for domain. And question is find out range. Domain means values of x. This is called domain. Range means values of y. We have to find out range. So when we have to find out range, first step, let y equal to this. Let y equal to this. 3x divided by 2x minus 8. Let y equal to 3 upon 2 minus x square. Let y equal to x square upon 1 plus x square. This is y and we have to find out range. Now this question contains x only. This question contains x only. X in the numerator, x in the denominator. This question contains x square. X square. This question contains x square. When question contains x only, find the value of x. When question contains x only, find the value of x. When question contains x square, find the value of x square. See here, we have to find the value of x. So first step, cross multiply yx minus 2y equal to 1. Next step, yx equal to 1 plus 2y. We have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 1 plus 2y divided by 1. Second, this question contains x. It may be in the numerator, it may be in the denominator. Find the value of x. So first step, cross multiply. It is 2xy minus 8y equal to 3x. All the terms which contain x, they should be transferred to one side. Take x common and find the value of x. If question contains x, find the value of x. If question contains x square, find the value of x square. So next step, cross multiply. It is 2y minus yx square equal to 3. We have to find the value of x square. So 2y minus 3 equal to yx square. We need x square. So x square equal to 2y minus 3 divided by y. When question contains x, find out x. When question contains x, find out x. When question contains x square, find out x square. When question contains x square, find out x square. So next step, cross multiply. All the terms which contain x, they should be on the one side. Take x square common. Find the value of x square. Minus y upon y minus 1. Or you can say x square is equal to y divided by 1 minus 1. So first step, when question contain x, find out x. When question contain x, find out x. When question contain x square, find out x square. When question contain x square, find out x square. After that, when you are to find the value of x, after finding x, you are to see for which value of y this x does not exist. For which value of y this x does not exist. If I take y equal to 0, this x does not exist. Here, y should not be equal to 0. Here, y should not be equal to 0, and therefore range is r minus 0. What is domain? Domain is x. What is range? Range is y. We are not to get 0. We are not to get 0. So all numbers except 0. See this question. 2y minus 3 should not be equal to 0. Means y should not be equal to 3 by 2. Y should not be equal to 3 by 2. Not equal to. And therefore range is all numbers except 3 by 2. After finding x, you have to see for which value of y x does not exist. This denominator should not be equal to 0. Y should not be equal to 3 by 2. So range is all number except 3 by 2. Now comes to next question. If question contains x square, the next step is as square is always positive. Because square is always positive, therefore 2y minus 3 divided by y should be positive. Are you following? Let us rub this. See this? When question contains x square, find the value of x square. After that, next step, square is always positive. Therefore, this value should be positive. Now make a number line. We have to solve this equation. Numerator will become 0 when y equal to 3 by 2. Denominator will become 0 when y equal to 0. Numerator becomes 0 when y equal to 3 by 2. Denominator 0 when y equal to 0. Arrange them. First number 0, next number 3 by 2. Select any number from minus infinity to 0. It is minus infinity. It is infinity. Select any number from minus infinity to 0. Let us take minus 1. Put minus 1 here. I will get negative answer. Put minus 1 here. I will get negative answer. Negative in the numerator, negative in the denominator. It means positive. Select any number from 0 to 3. In between 0 to 3. Let us take 1. Put y equal to 1 here. I will get negative answer. Put y equal to 1 here. I will get positive answer. Negative in the numerator, positive in the denominator. So answer is negative. Select any number from 3 by 2 to infinity. Let us take 2. 2, 3, it is up to you. Put 2 here, I will get positive answer. Put 2 here, I will get positive answer. Positive here, positive here, positive answer. Now here positive, here negative, here positive. But what I need? Positive. So range is this and this. So what is range here? Range is minus infinity to 0 union 3 by 2 to infinity. As in module 8, previous module, I have discussed how we can solve this equation. Always whenever there is minus infinity or infinity, you have to put open bracket. Whenever there is equal sign, we have to use close bracket. So close bracket here, close bracket here. But why I have taken open bracket? Because when it is closed, it means I have to take 0. But at 0, this value does not exist. That's why I have to take open bracket. At minus infinity and infinity, always open bracket. Whenever there is equal sign, we are to use close bracket. We are to use close bracket here, we are to use close bracket here. When I take close bracket here, it means I can take 0. But when I take 0, this value does not exist. And that's why I have to use open bracket. This is the range. Second, that question. See this question. X square equal to y upon s. Again, next line is as square is always positive. Square is always positive. Therefore, y upon 1 minus y is always positive. Now we have to solve this equation. Make it number line. Numerator becomes 0 when y equal to 0. Denominator becomes 0 when y equal to 1. Here it is minus 50, here it is plus infinity. Select one number from here. Let us take minus 1. Put minus 1 here, put minus 1 here. When I put minus 1 here, negative sign. When I put minus 1 here, positive. Negative in the numerator, positive in the denominator, answer is negative. Let us select one number from 0 to 1. Let us take 0.5. If I put 0.5 here, positive. If I put 0.5 here, positive. Positive here, answer is positive. Select one number from here. Let us take 2. When I take 2, positive here. When I take 2, negative here. Positive in the numerator, negative in the denominator, answer is negative. I need positive answer. It means this is the answer. Here it is equal bracket. It means close interval. So range is equal to 0 close 1 open. Because equal bracket, we are to use close bracket. Because equal sign, we are to use close bracket. But when I take close bracket here, at 1, this value does not exist. Therefore, at 1, I have to take open bracket. At 0, I have to take close bracket. I have to take this interval, not this, not this. So if I conclude, when question contains x, find the value of x. When question contains x square, find the value of x square. When question contains x square, find the value of x square. After finding x square, you have to say, because square is always positive, therefore this value always positive. Because square is positive, therefore this value positive. And then you have to solve this equation. Solve this equation, find the range. Range is y. Let us take two questions more. That question is under root. Suppose question is fx equal to root 2 minus x. And let fx equal to root 9 minus x. See both the question. Because we are to discuss only range, so whenever this question will come for range, domain is given to you. How we can find domain? For domain, module 8, 2 minus x should be greater than 0. Minus x should be greater than equal to minus 2. X should be less than equal to 2. Like this we are to do. But when question is of range, it is given to you that x is less than equal to 2. It is given. When we are to find domain, we are to write like this. But when question is only of range, it is given to you that x lies between minus 2 or x less than equal to 2. Here it is given x lies between minus 3 to 3. It is given and question is find out range. When question is only of range, domain is given to you. You have to find out range only. So see again. Let y equal to this. As we are to find out range only, when question contains x and question is in root, our first step is root is always positive. Root 4 answer is 2, root 9 answer is 3, root 0 answer is 0. Root is always positive. So its value is always positive, and always positive means the range is from 0 to infinity. Suppose question is fx root this. It is given to you, and we are to find range. We are to say y equal to this, and root is always positive, therefore range is 0 to infinity. When root contains only x, you are to say root is always positive. Let us suppose question is like this. Here root is in the numerator, here root is in the denominator. When root is in the denominator, we are to say root is always positive. Here its answer may be 0. Here its answer is positive, and therefore range is from 0 to infinity. When root is in the numerator and contain only x, it may be 0. So its range from close 0 to infinity, its range from open 0 to infinity. It is okay. Now let us find range of this question. Let first step y equal to 9 minus x square. Again, because it is root is always positive. This is first, that this root value is always greater to 0. Now question contains x square. So we are to find the value of x square. So next step, scaling question. Because we are to find out x square, so x square is 9 minus y square. And again next step, because x square is always positive, therefore 9 minus y square is always positive. Because it is positive, therefore it is positive. From this I will get minus y square greater than equal to minus 9. Y square less than equal to 9. Y lies between minus 3 to plus 3. Now this is second equation, this is first. What is first? Y greater than equal to 0. What is second? Y lies between minus 3 to plus 3. Here greater than equal to 0. Here minus 3 to plus 3. So what is the common answer? So from first and second, we can say range is 0 to 3. Why 0 to 3? Here answer is greater than 0. Greater than equal to 0. Here answer is minus 3 to plus 3. What is first? Greater than equal to 0. What is second? Minus 3 to plus 3. What is the common answer? 0 to 3. So range is 0 to 3. Chaliye, last question. Let us question is y equal to 16 minus x square. And it is given x lies between minus 4 to plus 4. It is given, and the question is find out range. To find out range. What is first step? Because y is in root, always greater than equal to 0. First step. Second step, scaling both sides. So I'll get y square is equal to 16 minus x square. X square is equal to 16 minus y square. Because square is always positive, therefore 16 minus y square is always positive. And next step, minus y square greater than equal to minus 16. Y square less than equal to 16. Y lies between minus 4 to plus 4. And this is second. And from first and second, what we can say? Range is from 0 to 4. Because it is greater than equal to 0. It is minus 4 to 4. So common answer is greater than 0, less than 4. So range is 0 to 4. Is okay? So it is from my side, and this chapter complete now. relation function. Domain, range, complete module number 7, 8, 9, which contain domain and range both part. Okay, thank you.